The marketing features of your EzyCourse site is something that we go into a lot more detail in other courses, but hopefully this lesson gives you an overview of what's involved. So on your EzyCourse dashboard, you can go into marketing and contacts, and the first option you see is to look at email statistics. Now there is an email platform built into your EzyCourse site that allows you to send email campaigns, and here you're able to view the statistics of various different campaigns. Now you can create a new campaign very simply by going into the campaign section, clicking on start new campaign, give your campaign a title and a subject, and you can target who receives your campaign. There's a lot of different options in there, and these are growing, but you can target specific students. You can target students who purchase particular products or particular memberships. You can even target students based on whether they did or didn't complete a quiz and whether they posted in a community. So lots of options available. Now you can either use the text editor just here to create your template, or you can use some pre-built-in templates that are available. Now you can also create your own templates as well. So there's a lot of off-the-shelf ones here that you can clone and edit for yourself, or you can go ahead and create a new template. On the platform, you're also able to send push notifications if you have the custom app with EzyCourse. So this is a great reason to have a custom app. Very difficult to communicate always with people by email, but a custom app, when you can push a notification to your users and you can target those notifications, that's a really powerful thing to have. Now on forms and contacts, this is where you can create forms, and these can be used on web pages or actually within lessons as well. You can create forms, for example, to sign up for things. You can create forms to gather information or gather feedback from people. You can use forms in a lot of different ways. Now, in the automations and sequences section, this is where you can automate sequences of emails based on activity. So let's say somebody completes a form. You can then trigger a sequence of automation emails that go to that person. So for example, like lead magnets, if you want to set up a lead magnet on a page that has a form that allows people to sign up to 5 free daily tips, and then you set up an automation to send those daily tips each day, that's a great way of gathering more interest in what it is you've got to sell. Now, like I say, we go into more detail about these things in other courses. There's also a tags feature that allows you to add tags to students so that you can segment your audience in particular ways. And also you can set up the white label settings for your email. So if you want to use your own domain instead of the EzyCourse domain, you can set up that in the white label settings. Now, as I say, we dive into more detail about the marketing features in other courses, but hopefully that's enough to help you to get started.